Remove the handle. Took the button out of it. Move the speaker that was in the pull starter. Ground out the pull starter area because the speaker's not in it anymore. And installed. Can't really do it one-handed, but see if you can see a little bit here. It's a keychain holder janitor thing, so my pull starter will work. So paint her red. I don't know if I'm going to move the handle to the other side like the real one is, but I'm definitely going to distress it, add some caps, maybe like from a milk jug or something, and paint them so they look like the fuel caps and chain oil. And then cut a hole for my hand to fit in there and fix a handle of some kind, piece of PVC or something. And then there's the speaker. I'll relocate it at the front and put a few small holes for the help sound get out. Trip to the thrift store, got some barbecue grill tongs and the bracket from a shop light for my handle and my wood part. It'll work pretty good, I think. Also, I masked off and just painted the line instead of making something to match. Alright, JB welded a handle in there for my hand. Moved the speaker back where it was. There was a weird skull thing here, I don't know if you remember it. I just cut it off and JB welded a hole. Gonna sand it down. Got the pull starter installed. Works. Cover that up for paint. And then instead of doing like a lot of people do, like the cool 3D print cover, I just striped it with paint when it's on there. I think it'll look the part. Like I said, I'm going for a movie similar, not movie accurate, I guess you would say, because I'm not using a real home light. And yeah, another part of the video. So I got this all painted, a lot of the stuff all put on it. I'll go through it real quick. I think I mentioned some of it before, but so barbecue grill tongs, bent them, cut it, screwed it, put the tape on like the real one did. The oil and fuel are just soda pop tops glued JB Weld on. The pipe was the shop light, and this model actually had a fixture for it. I just had to drill through the outer so it fit right in the little JB Weld. I got the keychain thing mounted in there, JB welded and screwed, so it actually functions. The wood handle, a little bit bigger, might have been better, but it's what I had. I used an old barbecue grill poker thing handle, cut it off. I gotta paint the switch. It's just a washer with a piece of plastic. Maybe I'll get a real switch later. The other side it came with that skull. I just cut it off and JB welded the hole shut. When I painted it, I didn't paint. This model has a cylinder. Of course, the real one is an exhaust port, but it looks the part, right? And then the cuff, of course, the real one's metal with a bolt clamp. Felt hot glued on, just so comfy if it rubs on your wrist or whatever. Fits in pretty good. I got my PVC in there. There you go. Now I got to antique it.